Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing. This time we will unbox another LOL surprise, and this is the Glitter Globe series, and it says here on the side Winter Disco, and on the zipper you will see that there's a disco ball or a strobe light, and there's another cute LOL here on the side. She says unbox me, and this comes with 8 surprises, and look, there's a picture here of the glitter snow BB that you can create. So this winter disco is like the base, and this one is the for the pets, and this one is for the whales. So yeah, let's start. Ooh, that's easy. Okay, so for this one, this is the secret message, and it says relaxing in the hot tub. Okay. Oh, this is easier to peel compared to the other that I opened. So this is the globe. Oh, look how cute that is. So there's like glitters here, and it's a shade of blue. And I think you can put water on this, so that's really cool. Let's open it. Look how sparkly that is. So cute. So there's a paper here, and it comes with all of the surprises. And this is the stand. So let's try to put this here. Oh, by the way, if you notice, there's a sticker here, and there is an instruction. I think we need to remove this sticker, and it will reveal this part where you can put, or where you can open it and put water on this side, which we will do later. Okay, but let's try to put the stand first. There you go. And this is the checklist. Oh, okay. Oh, so there's a boy, and he says march to the beat. And this one here says glittery Glitter Rally Dreaming. She's so pretty. And this is the snow BB that you can create. And these are all the dolls that you can get. Oh, she's so cute. I wanna get this. And this one too. And these are all the baggies. And the instruction. Let's take a quick look. Okay, and let's start with the baggies. I'm gonna start with this one. Oh, we have this one. It looks like this is a stand. So let's put this here. Oh, so we have the shoes. Oh, it's for ice skating. I think I know who we got. It's pink and glittery. Oh, we got the clothes. Look at how cute that is. And it's so glittery and sparkly too. Oh, and we have the bottle. Oh, this bottle is so cute. So there's like flowers in here, and it's peach color and with glitters on top, and very soft too. And there's a fanny pack here. It's so cute and soft. Okay, and this is the how do you have an idea who we got based on this one? Just comment down below. So here's the doll. And we have her. She's so cute. I think she's a color changer. And she's blowing a gum. Oh, she's so pretty. And look at that hair. So this is what we got. And I will put on her clothes. So we got figure 8 from the Chill Out Club. Here she is. And we can put water on her hair, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to wet what's inside. But there, it looks like there's stars. So it looks like there's stars or flowers glitter on her hair. But I want to try if she's a color changer. So here's the cold water. Oh, look at that. It turned pink. With stars on the middle and the back. That is so cute. And then let's look at her inside the globe. So here she is inside the globe. And thanks for watching.